We are trapped in the forest. We have no clue where we are. We are looking to build a shelter.
This is our shelter, and we are going to put leaves on it to protect us from the sun and rain.
Well, we finished our shelter. Now we're going to go find food. We found some apples, and we're using resources to get them out of the tree. Hey, there they go. And Maggie is now catching frogs to cook over the fire. There you have it. We got one. Woohoo! An apple though. We caught ourselves a gator.
This is our fire where we are going to cook our food and stay warm in case it gets cold.
Day 2 of catching food and getting it out of this bare tree. Oops.
I got a gator!
Oh my god! On day 2, we're still finding more stuff for our shelter, and Jaden is missing. Want to tell him why?
She went gator hunting, never came back.
I had to put a roof on our shelter so we didn't get burned by the sun. Oh god. We're going back to the first spot we found to see if we can find any more resources. Oh my goodness, that's our shelter. What's in it? It's Jaden!
Jaden, we found you.
Jaden! You're not